Oh, you dropped that? Are you okay? You need some help there? So what'd you guys do last night?
What did we do? We went out to dinner.
Oh yeah, was it good?
Oh yes, there was a lot of noodles involved.
Let's go. Got it? How much was it?
1908?
Okay, we're almost home. We shouldn't be too much longer.
Yeah. Well, I got gas here.
Yeah, true.